guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick tidy up video just to show you guys how I clean up my house whenever I don't have much time to be cleaning. We actually had people coming over tonight, so I just wanted to give our house a quick run through, tidy everything up, and just clean up the bathrooms and vacuum. I'm starting here in the master bathroom. The products that I'm using are still pretty much the same as I have been using if you've been watching my past videos. I get all of my cleaning supplies through Grove Collaborative. I will leave a link in the description box below so you can check out Grove and get your free 5-piece Mrs. Meyer's set. Today I'm going to be using mostly Method and Mrs. Meyer's products. In this bathroom in particular, I'm using the Method Anti-Bac Cleaner and the Method Anti-Bac Toilet Cleaner. The other products that I'm using that I didn't get from Grove are the Clorox Lysol wipes, which I'll be using in both bathrooms. This is an area of my house I haven't shown very much. This is like one of the first areas you see when you walk into our house, and so I like to keep this cleaned up, but it seems to be a catch-all. Now I'm just moving on to our guest bathroom, and I am using pretty much all the same products as I was using in our master bathroom. The cleaner that I used for the glass, I didn't mention it earlier, is the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner. And I really like that one because it seems to work pretty well and I don't see a lot of streaking going on with it. But I mostly just use it as a glass cleaner, and I use other things for the surface cleaners. Now I'm just moving on to the living room. My kids had kind of just cluttered our living room a whole lot, so I'm just moving a bunch of their toys and things out of the living room. And my husband's stuff as well. Now I'm just moving on to the kitchen. I'd planned on making a meal for my husband and I this night on a cast iron skillet, and I hadn't seasoned it, and I had no idea how long it actually took to season a cast iron skillet. it took way longer than I expected. So I had to end up putting our chicken in the crock pot and just let it cook that night. So there's a fan going because of how hot the kitchen got, and it was just kind of a mess in my kitchen this day. As I am cleaning off the dining room table, you will see the camera fall off the dining room table. And don't worry, everything was fine. And if my brother is watching this, don't worry, it wasn't your camera, Chris. It was my phone. Now I'm just vacuuming the living room and kitchen area where people are going to be that night. I don't think I've shown it before, but I really like the way that my vacuum canister empties. It's very quick and convenient. The last thing that you're going to see me doing is just turning on all of my fall lights that I got. If you haven't seen my fall haul video, I'll link it here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so and hit the bell so you don't miss any future videos. If you enjoyed this one, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.